Hello, hi, and welcome back, my dear friends, on my channel Pretty and Innovative Things. I hope all of you are doing great and everything is so cute at your side. So, my dear friends, what about your lockdown? Is the periods over or not yet? And are you taking precautionary measures and following the official guidelines? And what are your activities nowadays to enjoy your lockdown? And what you are doing something new or creative things? Let me know in the comment section. And one thing more, that this video is going to be super cute for all of you because it is going to give you very beautiful and amazing ideas of crochet baby girl dresses, and all these dresses are in pink color. So this is so lovely when we talk about pink color, and it's about feminine, it's about some girlish things, because pink is always associated with feminine things or attributes, and it is so lovely. So, if you are a mummy who is just thinking about making beautiful pink dresses for your baby girl, or you are a grandmother who is thinking to make something beautiful to give to your grandbaby princess, you can make these kind of dresses for your baby girls, and these are absolutely beautiful. These dresses are in beautiful shades of pink, like some dresses are in soft pink shade and some dresses are in hot pink shade. It's up to you that which color you choose and which kind of dress you make. Whatever the shade pink is having, it is absolutely adorable because pink is just love. Some are just like cotton candy colors, and these are like sugar pink colors. I love all these shades of pink because it is beautiful in everything. You can also get matching ideas of these dresses, like the hats, the like jerseys or sweaters and skirts, along with boots, shoes, and so many other things in the shade pink, because all of these are so cute. Just have a look at this one. This is light pink shade, the lighter one, and it is having matching shoes also, and this is looking super adorable and cute. Look at this dress. This is also having a very beautiful pink shade along with a little addition of white, and the hat the baby is wearing is also in the matching, and it is looking so beautiful. Look at this one. This is also soft pink color, and it is having an addition of a light purple color. So you can get ideas of color contrast and color combinations from this video. You can also have an idea of headbands that you are trying to make for your baby girls. Even if you are a person who actually does crochet for professional purposes, like if you are a person who makes these items to sell in the market or to the people or anywhere online or somewhere else, you can get ideas of the fashions that are latest and that are trendy and popular nowadays. You can make these kind of dresses and you can sell them, because people love to wear the trendy styles that are in fashion, that are latest, that are according to the modern lines. So you can get ideas from my video and you can make these dresses and so many other things as you want. Look at this one. This dress is not fully made of crochet. This is made of a tissue fabric, or you can say the net fabric, and having a headband of pink color. Also the crochet work has been done on the neck side. So you can also make these kind of dresses that are having fabric in the lower side, and upper side is made of crochet. You can also make the crochet sleeves. You can also make the crochet headbands, the hats, the caps, and so many other things. You can add a bit or a pinch of other colors, and you can add some extra yarn to these colors to add a different color variety, to add some different kind of look to these pink shades. For example, some people love to add white to the pink color, and some people love to add some multicolored layers to the pink color. It's up to you. Look at this one. It is just like the sparrow is going to wear a dress like this, and this one is having a taping shade. This is so beautiful, and this is not something difficult to make. It looks like the panels have been made simply and then have been joined by making crochet or knitted. This one is also so cute, having flowers of the same color, and there is also a simple beautiful color, dark pink, like that is not hot pink but dark tea pink type. This dress is very beautiful, and this is giving you headband, the hat ideas, and this dress is in the button style, front open style, having white shoes. You can make these kind of dresses for your own baby princess. And look at this one, this is also showing a white and a pink combination, and it absolutely beautiful. Just imagine how would your baby girl would look while wearing these kind of dresses. These are super stylish and super cute. And just have a look at this newborn baby girl. She is wearing a pink color dress, and this dress is in white color, is basic pink color having a white color contrast. Look at this one, it is also having, you can see many of these designs are having color contrast ideas, and most of them are in white and pink color, because white and pink go most of the time in popularity and people love to wear these kind of things. Some are in simple plain pink. Look at this one, this is not having any other color, it is in the single pink color, but it is looking super cute. Now it's up to you that what thing are you going for. If you are not wishing to add some extra color of yarn to your dresses, you want to use some single color, you can add ribbon like this one in the picture. And you can also make the pink dress like this one in the picture, like a black upper side and the pink lower side, and you can add another color at the border side to make your pink color more prominent and more bright. You can use ribbons in the skirts or in the shirts as per your demand or your choice, and you can make these ribbons or change these ribbons into flower shapes, and these would be so beautiful. This dress is having a pineapple kind of a pattern, or you can say, I think, the crocodile type of a pattern, and the crown is made in the headband style, and it is looking so beautiful. And all these dresses would be super comfortable for your baby girls, because crochet is always comfortable for the kids. They do not feel like formal, they do not feel like heavy wear, and they are absolutely beautiful, and they are very easy to wash. You can make these dresses in a very low budgeted way. You can make these dresses while you are having a free time, and in this way you would be enjoying your free time, your leisure time. And this one is very beautiful. You can make these kind of dresses also. These are in the style having fabric and crochet, because having fabric actually makes you spend less hours in doing crochet. You can take most of the fabric and add crochet to it, and then make these beautiful dresses. These look so beautiful and so cute. I hope you are liking all these ideas, my friends. One more thing that I request you, if you are here for the first time watching me, then please consider subscribing to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon, because I will be bringing more beautiful and more informative videos for all of you in the future. And press the bell icon and click on the all notifications so that you get notifications of my videos. And if you are liking this video, and if you are loving this super cute adorable baby collection of pink dresses, just hit like and increase my confidence. And I am so thankful to all of my friends who actually watch me and support me and increase my confidence by showing positive gestures. I hope all these dresses are lovely and you are enjoying them too. All these designs are going to help you in the future to make dresses of your baby girls. These are in different shades, some are in hot pink shade. Look at this one, this is again having a zigzag kind of a pattern, having a color contrast of white and pink. Most of the dresses are in white and pink contrast, and they look so beautiful. And it depends upon you, if you want to use the single color, you can go for the single color. And if you are a person who loves to add some other colors to the pink shade, you can add like white color, you can add black color to it. You have to add some kind of colors that go bright in contrast to the pink, so that they may get prominent while the baby wears these dresses. You can add crochet lace too. Sometimes it happens that you have to make the crochet lace for your baby girl dress or your own dress, but sometimes it happens that you get the lace from the market, so it's easy for you. You can also take the plain fabric or the printed fabric, and you can take crochet flowers or lace from the market, and you can add and make this dress look more beautiful and more stylish. So it's up to you, there are so many ideas. I will be sharing the stitching and sewing ideas. If you are interested, let me know. I will be bringing some many kind of stitching patterns for those who are actually buying some expensive patterns out there from the markets, and they are confused how to make the dresses, how to stitch the dresses. These patterns and these tutorials would be helping a lot to all of you. And one more thing, that the pandemic situation has not been over yet. So take care of yourselves, stay inside your homes, take care of your families, and do not go outside. Always follow the official guidelines. Life is so precious, and we have to take care of ourselves, our near and dear ones, all the people who are living around us, because a single person can be responsible in saving the lives of other and in destroying the lives of others. So be one